There's a new Xbox dashboard design coming to your Xbox very soon, so I'm about to take you into more information about this. You can see this reads, coming soon, your new Xbox Home. Quickly get to places like library, store and settings. Stay up to date with your games and communities. Improve game, TV and movie recommendations. I'm going to select learn more to give you some more information on what's going on here to this change to your Xbox. So coming soon to your Xbox as well, you need to be connected to the internet for this update to take place. You can see here, add games to home. So you're going to be able to add games to your home page so you can access them directly from your home page as opposed to going into your library and having to search for that game. You can add up to 10 individual games to your home screen so you can stay up to date with your favorite games and see game related info. So not only do you get your game, but of course if it's a live service game or there's some updates to the game, you will get that information along with the game. So of course if you're playing any live service games like Apex Legends or Fortnite, this is going to be really helpful for you. Group your favorites. So group your favorites. You can customize your home screen further by adding group for easy access. Groups are a collection of favorite games and apps that you can create and manage from My Games and Apps. So that's really cool. So if there's a bunch of games and apps you are using regularly on your Xbox, maybe there's something that you're using, for example, an BBC iPlayer or something of the sort, maybe a movie app that you're using quite regularly. If that's something, you can group with your game so you can access them in groups. You also have Reorganize the Home. Arrange the games on your home screen by selecting the edit icon and the end of each game module that you've added to home. So of course, at the end of each panel that you've created on your Xbox homepage, you can now customize this for it to have a look or an order that you want of those games and apps. So if you create groups, you'll be able to edit the groups so you can put the right things at the right point in what you want in your menu. So if there's something that you're using most regularly that you're going to select first, maybe you want that at the top and not at the bottom of the groups that you've created or the panel that you've created in a certain way. Maybe there's a game update that you want to know about, but you're not playing the game very often. You can edit presumably the update ahead of the actual game, which you can select. That's quite cool. And you can also change your backgrounds. Now this is something that I've shown you before. There are a variety of game backgrounds that you can create. Those game backgrounds can change your Xbox experience. For example, having an old school retro Xbox dashboard where you have the original Xbox dashboard that comes up and it's animated, it has all those bubbly effects. I've shown you how to add that. And that's what we're talking about here. The default background for home displays artwork from the games that you've recently played. And if you want to switch from your current customized background to this new feature, press the Xbox button, which is the main button on your Xbox controller, which will be this one right here, to open the guide and go to settings, then into general, personalization and my background, and then select the restore default background. So if you want the default background as opposed to the background that I think would be updated with this update, then you can go to that. But don't worry if this sounds really confusing, I will be taking you through it if there's something really cool for you to show or for you to see in this category. And those are the few things that we have in right now. I can actually select set background so you can go straight into it from this menu here. There is a pin that I need to enter on my account. So you can see here, for example, you have solid colors, achievement art. So if there's an achievement that you've just achieved with your Xbox, you'll be able to put that in your dashboard. I'm going to go back a little bit, asking me to enter this again. So I'm just going to enter this again. You can add a customized image, screenshots and dynamic backgrounds. Dynamic backgrounds are really cool because they are the ones that move. For example, there's a Hi-Fi Rush one here. So based on the game Hi-Fi Rush, you can have a Hi-Fi Rush background on your Xbox dashboard. And quite a few others like Diablo. I don't actually have Diablo, but I can use a Diablo background. That's quite cool. Ghostwire Tokyo. I've played Ghostwire Tokyo, so I can have a dynamic background of Ghostwire. That looks really cool, man. That looks really cool. I'm actually going to select that right now. And there's a few other things here as well. This is really interesting. For example, Halo Infinite. Those are the game backgrounds that we have, but let's go into Xbox here. You can see the original that I was talking about beforehand. This is the one. You can actually select this, put this as your background to your Xbox. So just to give you some more information on the changes that are coming to Xbox, hopefully this has given you some information on what is coming to you on your Xbox very soon. If you're watching this on a later date, don't forget this is also information you can use towards your Xbox and what you're doing on Xbox. So give this video a thumbs up. There's a lot more where this came from. I'm helping you with Xbox and a lot more, so check out the content. Thank you for watching. There should be more content on screen right now, giving you the blank screen so you can have some of those things that you can clickety click right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Peace out. See you in the next one.